10 liver failure symptoms you should not ignore. Poor liver health can make living difficult and challenging as the liver supports more than 500 physiological and biochemical processes in the body. Well, what if this vital organ stop functioning well? How will you get to know that your liver has some issues? Well, in today's video, I will tell you the 10 symptoms of liver failure that you should never ignore. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can find so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and several chronic disease treatment with natural and holistic care. Now, let's move on to the symptoms that may help you be proactive for your liver health. The first and very general symptom, if your liver is dealing with some sort of damage, is generalized weakness and fatigue. Yes, if you have any liver disease, be it liver damage or failure, you may experience fatigue at that time. This happens because your liver is unable to remove toxins from the blood and does not produce enough enzymes that regulate cholesterol, blood sugar and other metabolic functions. See, the liver regulates certain enzymes that help in several metabolic functions. Plus, your liver secretes bile. Bile helps break down fats into fatty acids and remove toxins from the blood. If your liver is damaged, toxins start build up in your body and you may feel nausea, vomiting and loss of appetite. So, reduced appetite is a key symptom of liver failure. Now, the third symptom of the liver damage is unexpected or sudden weight loss. Improper digestion and loss of appetite can lead to weight loss. When the liver is not functioning, it disrupts how your body stores and uses nutrients. It may cause muscle loss and weight loss. So, if weight loss is paired with jaundice and fatigue, then you should immediately talk to your healthcare provider. Do you also notice a yellow tint of your skin and yellowish eyes? This could be jaundice. Jaundice occurs when your liver does not process and remove bilirubin, which is produced when your liver breaks down old red blood cells. So, if you already have liver failure, then occurrence of jaundice is very common. Well, if your liver is not functioning well, you may notice dark urine and a pale stool. If your urine turns dark brown or your stools become pale, then it could be a sign that your liver is not carrying away waste from your body properly. Dark urine happens because of more bilirubin and pale stool is a sign that bile is not reaching your intestine. Itching or pruritus is also a major symptom of liver failure. If your liver is damaged, it does not function properly and cannot filter out the bile from your blood, leading to the accumulation of bile salts under the skin. This bile buildup can cause persistent itching that can be worse at night. Swelling is also a notable symptom of liver failure and it's very obvious in liver failure as your liver loses the ability to synthesize and assimilate protein. Due to low protein in the body, swelling can occur in the pedal areas like legs, feet and ankles, making them swell and inflamed. Now, the eighth symptom of the liver failure is easy bruising and bleeding. This happens because of portal hypertension, which is high blood pressure in your portal venous system, which carries blood from the stomach, spleen and small intestine to the liver. Portal hypertension can cause enlarged veins in the esophagus called varices, which can lead to severe bleeding or blood vomit. Now, if you have liver failure, your liver can become enlarged and painful. This happens because fluid starts building up in the abdomen. It is called ascites. Recurrent ascites is a very distinctive symptom of liver failure or cirrhosis. Ascites lead to abdominal swelling and distension, abdominal pain and shortness of breath. The last and most fatal symptom of liver failure is hepatic encephalopathy. This condition occurs at the last stage of liver cirrhosis or when the liver failure occurs. Hepatic encephalopathy occurs when your liver does not remove toxins from the blood, and these toxins start building up in your brain, causing forgetfulness and memory loss. It can also cause mood swings, altered behavior, or even coma in some cases. Well, I have explained to you every symptom in detail. See, liver failure can be a fatal one if it is in advanced stage. It would be better not to neglect its early signs and symptoms so that you can avail of its treatment at the very initial stage. I know it is challenging as you face many health issues due to liver damage, but no worries. Liver damage or failure can be treated naturally and holistically. Bharat Homeopathic liver medicines have hepatoprotective properties that stimulate the liver cells and reduces inflammation and scarring and heal the disease naturally. They are natural and given in small globules dipped in the potentized alcohol-based medicine that works directly on the root cause of the disease. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of liver patients worldwide and are constantly working on the liver problems to help our patients live free from liver disease. We are a team of experienced liver specialists who prescribe customized and personalized treatment after a complete case taking. Well, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.